What up, y'all? We're back at it again with another adventure. This time I'm solo traveling and we're in Utah. I just picked up the car. I am in a Buick, a 2021 Buick. And whenever I think of Buick, I just think of a really old car, you know? But this is a nice little compact SUV. I'm just adjusting the mirrors, you know. If you're short, you understand. Yeah, I was here for a little bit of work, but now I am free until tomorrow, which I fly out. So it's really like a turn and burn. In the meantime, gotta go to Chick-fil-A, and I'm gonna go definitely see the Great Salt Lake and try to go to the Salt Flats. So go ahead and come along. I'm also going to go see the temples because I believe this is the home of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints, the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints, formerly known as like Mormon churches. So yeah, come along for the ride and yeah, let's experience this. It's 95 degrees, guys. I left Alaska and it was like 68. It's 95 degrees, but we're gonna have a good time, so let's go. It's a good thing the Chick-fil-A is literally in the parking lot of the Walmart, because I need to get a new phone case, one that doesn't have a pop socket on it, so that way it like better mounts in the windshield mount I got. Have y'all ever seen a Claire's in Walmart? Never seen a Claire's in Walmart. Yeah.
Thank you so much for coming. Have a wonderful day, Morgan.
You too. So I'm here kind of at the beginning of the Salt Flats, or at least like where there's things to look at. Let's see if we can find some information about this place. It's called the Tree of Utah. Interesting. That's pretty big. I saw a video that these are supposed to symbolize like leaves. There's one over there and then there's one on that side over there. It's supposed to symbolize leaves that has fallen from the Tree of Utah. Alright, well, we got about another 15 more miles to go until the actual entrance and possibly the speedway on Bonneville Flats. Hopefully I'm pronouncing it right, and hopefully y'all can hear me because I do have the AC blasting. One, so my camera doesn't overheat, and two, so I don't overheat. So we made it. It's like literally a rest stop. It's a dry rest stop because they have porta potties. But yeah, people, you can drive out. Watch. This guy's just gonna drive out onto the salt. I'm going to go check out this sign right here. I would take a picture by the sign, take some landscape, and then we're gonna actually drive out on the salt. I'm excited. So this place is a famed measured mile site of the world's land speed record runs. How fast did they go? The first world record was 600.601 miles per hour, and then it was broken in 1970 at 622.407 miles per hour. Holy cow. All right, y'all, it's time to do exactly what we came here for. It's time to go drive out onto the salt. Photo shoot. I mean, come on. This is freaking, it's beautiful. And you want to see my tripod? It's my tripod. Hey, Listen, you do what you gotta do, okay? So there are a lot of people like actually super far out there. I'm like barely on the Salt because one, this is not my car. Two, I don't want to pay for this car if anything would happen, which I don't think anything would because all it is just salt. So yeah, a lot of people are like all the way out there. I'll probably drive out a little bit more only because like there are cars that are smaller than the one I'm driving that are all the way out there. So I'll go out a little bit more until I'm like, all right. And then we'll start to head back. After this, I want to go to the Salt Lake, or the Great Salt Lake, like the actual Salt Lake. So yeah, I think that's what we're gonna do next. It is hot. Ooh, let me show you guys something. So I actually stopped at Dollar Tree and got this tiny little mason jar. They had some that are like salt and pepper shakers, but I found one with a solid lid. I'm actually gonna get some salt from here, so I can show Chris whenever I get back home. All right, I went as far as the furthest car I saw, and yeah, this is my comfort zone. It's time to get some salt. I got this little plastic bag just so my hands won't get like super salty, you know. But yeah, let's grab some salt. I gotta get creative about where I put the camera because Chris isn't here. So I'll use my shoe. Oh, this is gonna be a lot harder than I thought. Maybe is it a scraping action? Oh man, this is like some legit salt. Can y'all even see me? This is like some legit salt. Like, well, some of y'all are gonna be like, what do you think it was, fake salt? But like, holy cow. Alright, this is gonna require a little bit of work, so bear with me. That took a lot of effort because the salt is like really encrusted into the ground. So I used the lid to scrape it, and then use the bag to like pat it down into the actual jar. But I got the jar. All right, I'm sweaty. I'm salty. The car's salty. My shoes are salty. This jar is now salty. And now it's time to go to the Great Salt Lake, which is about an hour away. As I was driving out, I'm still on the salt, but I was thinking, is it really a trip if I don't put my feet in it, like walk around on it? If salt's an exfoliator, I think it's only right that I put my feet in it and walk around a little bit. I did have a gallon of water in here. I got one from the Dollar Tree for this reason. So why am I trying to leave and I haven't done it yet? Oh, that's why. It's a little rough. It's a tad bit rough. Feels okay though. It's nice. Feeling a High School Musical moment coming on, you know. I'm soaring, flying. Feeling salty? All right, now it's truly time. Time to head back and get to the Salt Lake. Because what's visiting Salt Lake City and not going to the Great Salt Lake? I need to hydrate though, because it is so hot. So hot. Really regretting not bringing sunscreen. Don't make my mistake. been really, really, really cool if I had brought the drone. Should have got some aerial footage. The mountains, salt, would have been great. Next time. Hi.
He paid for you.
Are you serious?
I'm serious.
Oh,
What a kind
cool.
heart.
Well, how much is it? So the next person, I can get the next
$5.
person. I'm gonna get the next person, whoever they are,
Oh, you don't have to do that.
or a donation, whichever.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. Well, that was unexpected. The person in front of me paid, and yeah, it smells so fishy. Oh my god! Let's go see Great Salt Lake. This is where we are. There's so many flies. Oh my god. Okay. Look at all these flies. Ah. Do y'all see the flies? Can you see? You can even hear them. Alright. I touched it. Okay. I touched it. I did it. Oh my god. Yeah, there's so many gnats. I don't even know if y'all can see that. Let me see if I can get a video of them. You see them? Alright, I did it. I touched it, I came, I saw, I conquered. I'm gonna go check out their gift shop now. Get keychain, obviously. I wonder what the salt concentration is here at Salt Lake in relation to like the Dead Sea. If I find it out, I'll put it on the screen. Or would you look at there? An information placard that has it. Saltiest seas. Wow. Not that far off, really. Not that far off. If you're in the Utah area, the Salt Lake area, and you plan on visiting the Great Salt Lake, it is $5 for parking. And they do have like campsites, so you can tent camp, RV camp, and it's also a marina and a state park. Did I say that? I hope I said that.